looking after this amazing natural endowment that we have here in Queenstown and the broader region, it's looking after and I suppose supporting the social fabric of the area. So for us, really looking at how we bring sustainability into all the work that we do as a business. And this project really represents and reflects that thinking, working with partners like Downer and others.
Yeah, look, I mean, this is the mountain playground of the country, so there's the great outdoors, the natural environment is really important. We've bought into that with it and bringing some cool technologies to this project. We've got a product called Toner Pave, or the leftover residue from empty toner cartridges and printers and photocopiers. That's going into the binder, the black stuff that holds all the stones together.
Toner Pave originated through our research and development in Australia. It's been used in several sites there. And this is the second site in New Zealand. But here we combine it with glass, and it's a bit of a first of its kind in such a highly engineered product. The sustainability is going to play a big part in the construction industry and certainly future Downer projects. Clients willing to innovate and take a thought leadership stance, like Queenstown Airport, are key to achieving this. Traditionally, we've been an industry that's generated waste, we've generated emissions. A closer look at our projects and our industry demonstrates to us we can do better. And with a supportive client base, a supportive government stance on that, who knows where we can go.